dreaming of escaping the 9-to-5 grind and becoming your own boss behind the wheel. Let's slam the brakes on those fantasies and find out if driving for Uber in Canada is actually worth it. First, calculate your potential gross earnings. Open your Uber driver app and check the typical fares for different times of day and areas in your city. Factor in surge pricing opportunities. Now, brace yourself for the cold hard reality of expenses. Gas is a huge one. Track every liter you pump and calculate your fuel consumption per kilometer. Don't forget wear and tear, oil changes, tire rotations, brake replacements, all those kilometers add up fast. Research the average maintenance costs for your specific vehicle model. Next up, insurance. Driving for Uber requires specific commercial coverage that's far pricier than personal auto insurance. Get quotes from multiple providers to find the best deal. Factor in income tax. As an independent contractor, you're responsible for setting aside money for taxes yourself. Generally around 2,530% of your net earnings. Subtract all your expenses: gas, maintenance, insurance, taxes from your gross earnings. The number you're left with is your actual take-home pay. Now, ask yourself, is that hourly rate worth the time, effort, and stress? Consider factors like unpredictable demand, dealing with difficult passengers, and the lack of benefits like paid time off or health insurance.